If you only ever learn 6 things Claude can do, make it these 6. Reading, writing, researching, analyzing, creating, and meeting prep. The invisible admin that eats your week. I'll show you exactly how to hand each one to Claude with a copy-paste prompt for every single task. By the end, you'll have 6 repeatable workflows you can use tomorrow morning. Let's get into it. I'm Kingsley Aimufua. This is Catalyst Grid, Phase 2 of the Complete Claude Roadmap. If you did Phase 1, you've got the RCTF prompt formula, and we'll use it here on real jobs. 6 skills, back to back. Grab the templates from the description as we go. Skill 3, document analysis. Stop reading 50-page PDFs line by line. Upload the document, then ask targeted questions, not just summarize this. Ask for a 1-paragraph summary, the top risks, the key dates and numbers, or explain this clause in plain English. You can drop in 2 documents and ask what changed between them. The pro habit. Ask Claude to quote the exact line it's basing each point on, so you can jump straight to the source and verify. And finish with a killer question most people forget. What's missing, risky, or unclear in this document? That's where the real value hides. The prompt template for document analysis is on your screen and in the description. Try it on your next report. Skill 4, email and communication. The trick isn't write an email. It's giving Claude 3 things: the context, your goal, and your tone. Paste the thread you're replying to. Tell Claude what outcome you want and either describe your voice or paste a past email that sounds like you. Then ask for 2 or 3 versions. Say 1 warm, 1 firm, 1 short, and pick the best or blend them. Tricky message: declining, chasing a late invoice, delivering bad news. Tell Claude the relationship and the goal and let it find the diplomatic wording you're too annoyed to write. And if you save your voice as a style, every email comes out sounding like you automatically. Grab the email reply formula from the description to save your inbox. Skill 5, research and reports. First, turn on web search. Otherwise, Claude is working from memory, not today's facts. First, turn on web search. Otherwise, Claude is working from memory, not today's facts. Then ask a structured research question and tell it the shape you want back. An executive summary, then sections, then sources. Always add, cite your sources so you can verify, and include any conflicting viewpoints because a one-sided brief is a trap. For a genuinely big topic, a market scan, a literature review, look for a deeper research mode if your plan has it. It'll work through many sources and hand you a properly sourced report. Your job shifts from gathering to judging. Read critically, spot check the key claims, and you've compressed a day into 15 minutes. The structured research prompt is in the description for your next project. Skill 6, data analysis. And this is where people underestimate Claude. Upload a spreadsheet or CSV, and Claude can actually run code to analyze it. Real math, not a confident guess. Tell it what the columns mean. Then ask plain English questions. What's the trend over the last year? Which region is underperforming? Clean this messy data and flag duplicates. Ask for a chart and it'll build one. 2 habits that build trust. Ask Claude to explain its method so you can sanity check the logic. And ask, what stands out that I didn't ask about? It often spots the insight you'd have missed. You don't need to know spreadsheets, you need to know the questions. The Data Insights prompt template is on your screen and in the description. Skill 7, content creation. The secret to good output is a proper brief, the same brief you'd give a freelancer. Audience, goal, tone, length, key points, and format. Then don't ask for the finished piece in one go. Ask for an outline first, approve or tweak it, then draft. You'll get something dramatically better and you stay in control. Feed Claude an example of content you love and say, match this energy. Ask for 5 headline options or 3 different hooks, and lock your brand voice as a style so everything, posts, scripts, newsletters, comes out consistent. Claude is the tireless first draft machine. You bring the taste and the final call. Grab the content brief template from the description to level up your output. Skill 8, meeting prep. The bookends of every meeting. Before, give Claude the objective, the attendees, and the time you've got, and ask for a time-boxed agenda. You walk in organized instead of winging it. After, paste your rough notes or the transcript and ask for a clean summary. Decisions made, action items with owners, and open questions. Then one more step that makes you look on top of everything. Draft the follow-up email to send the group. Rough notes in, professional recap out, in under a minute. Both meeting prompts are in the description for you to steal. 6 skills, 6 prompts. hours back every week. In Phase 3, we level up from asking Claude to building with it. Task automation, building real tools with artifacts without any code. Letting Claude take actions on your computer and designing your own workflow. That's where it stops being an assistant and starts being a teammate. Subscribe, steal the templates below, and go run one of these 6 on real work today. I'm Kingsley Aimufua. See you in Phase 3.